Hi guys, welcome to this review and quick demonstration of this Mooka vacuum sealer. It comes with a nice booklet where you can see everything and everything is explained, but maybe you don't have the patience to read through everything, so I'm showing you the basics about this product. This is some kind of semi-professional thing. Of course, there are, for the big kitchen, there are other products, but you can buy also cheaper ones, but that's not the best idea. It's much better to buy something like this, which is better quality and works much better. I had an old one a couple of years ago, but this is way better, and at the end I will show you why. So here at the top you have a couple of buttons. You can select the food, vacuum seal, or seal only, and cancel if you have any kind of emergency, if you think it doesn't work right. So you can open the lid. You have basically the cutter here, especially when you have these roll of bags. You can cut the right size, or when you have using the standard bags and you maybe have like this big one and you need smaller size, you can also cut with this. You can open and close, put the bag underneath, close, and then cut. So that's really easy. Here we have actually the vacuum tray, where you put the open end of the bag so it can produce the vacuum. And here we have the wire, which can get really hot. You have to be careful, don't touch it after you have been sealing and vacuuming the bags. And here on the right side we have this lock. I hope you can see that. There's some instruction on the side where you can see towards the top it's open and towards the bottom it's locked. So this is the locking position which is needed for vacuuming. So let's open it again and see how this works. So of course you have to plug it in, and then you get a blue light to confirm that it's powered on. Then you take one of these bags, based on the size what you need. So, and the bags, they have two different sides. One side is flat and one is the grained side. So the grained side should be to the bottom, downwards. Okay, so we open that and we fill in whatever we want to vacuum. Let's take these fruits here as a sample. It's very important to not overfill, just fill up maybe 2-3/4 of the bag size. And it's also very important to have the opening clean so that it can seal everything off properly. So that's really important. Now we have it actually ready, and we place the opening here in this vacuum tray. So here within this part it has to be placed here, because on the top you see there's the, I hope you can see that, here we have the opening for the vacuum, so the air will be sucked off here. So that's really important. So we put the end of the bag into this tray, and now we are closing the machine and we lock it. Okay, now we have to choose dry food or moist food. That's definitely dry, and we have to choose either vacuum seal or seal only. So we are vacuuming it, and that's it. So we just press the button and wait till it's finished. It will start with the lights here. After that, when it will seal, you will see a blue light here, and after it's finished, the lights will turn off, so we know that it's ready. So we press and let's see. So I hope you have been able to see the additional blue light here, and finally the both blue lights went off. So that indicates that the process is finished, and we can unlock here on the side, and let's see how it looks. So you see the lemons are really super tight in the back. That's a really tough vacuum. That's absolutely awesome, exactly as you can find these things in the supermarket, made with professional machines. You can do the same now at home. So when you do this, your vegetables, fruits and everything, meat and whatever you vacuum will last much longer in the fridge or freezer or where you put it. And here you can see there is some some material from the bag is actually waste or too much. You can cut it off with scissors, or you can even use the cutter from this machine. Just pull it up and put this bag underneath, put it down again. Just make sure that you don't cut the seal, and then you go from one side to the other side, and usually it cuts in one thing. So yeah, here we have the rest, which we don't need anymore. And yeah, of course, don't touch this wire because it can be extremely hot after vacuuming or cutting. So you see, the end result is really super good. When you buy a cheaper machine, the vacuum result won't be as good as here. So that's a really a perfect vacuuming result. So I can only recommend buying this machine. This is really good. This nice little machine also comes with a small adapter which you can use to vacuum other stuff than food, like some clothes or wine bottles or other pots. But of course they have to have this special kind of valve which you can use. So here on the side you can plug this thing in, make sure it's really tight, and then you can just turn on the vacuum, and you can really hear, I hope you can hear that. So it's vacuuming really hard, so that's really good. And to cancel, of course, you can just press the cancel button and then remove the whole thing and use it for food again. So you see, even when we have this really a large booklet with a lot of instruction, actually it's super easy to work with this machine. You only need these buttons and have to be aware of a few things, especially placing the end here and using the lock here. And there's not much more to say about this. I'm really happy about this machine, and I'm always happy to use that. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to answer any questions. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.